My government feels, despite these social and institutional achievements, Kerala continues to face several fiscal stress arising from curtailment of advances. In the final quarter of the current financial year, from January to March 2026, the state should have had about rupees 12,000 crore available to meet expenditure commitments. More than half of this amount has been curtailed, with 5,944 rupees crore denied without proper justification. At the same time, amounts due to Kerala from the Government of India under central schemes pending up to September 2025, including arrears from previous financial years, stand at rupees 5,650.45 crores. These curtailments have placed severe pressures on the state's finances at a critical point in the financial year. Kerala has simultaneously been affected by major revenue side shocks. Recent rationalization of GST rates implemented in the middle of the financial year is estimated to cause annual revenue loss of rupees 8,000 crore during